Today we'll talk about how can you fix that problem you have or figure out the solution on your Wikipedia app. So all you have to do, you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, you just go down here and you click here on apps. Then you come to apps list and you just go down here to looking for Wikipedia app. You just go down here to show for you. So then all you have to do, you just click here on Wikipedia here and you come to this list, you click on force stop and you click here on OK. So you go down, you click here on storage, then you come to storage list, you just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do now, you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, then it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do. I wish you a great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.